Does Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra have headphone jack? Let me quickly check it out for you. Okay, so if I look at the top side of this phone, you can see we don't have headphone jack. And if I look at the bottom side of this phone, you can see we don't have headphone jack. We have USB Type-C port and other things, but no headphone jack. And if I look at the left hand side of this phone, you can see we have nothing over here. And if I look at the right hand side of this phone, we have power button and volume buttons, but no headphone jack. Okay, so now it is confirmed that this phone, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, does not have headphone jack.